Hey guys, I had an eventful day at work today, and it's the day three of my second week working 9 to 5. What do you think about my fit? Well, I got home later than usual, but I still got to work early. My boss couldn't show up, so I had to improvise. My friend got me breakfast. So I shot content at the office, visited two properties, one under construction and one finished and fully functional. God, I almost tripped. My friend works at the finish one and I surprised that she didn't know I was coming. I created content and then we headed back to the office. After we got to the office, I stepped out for lunch and it was great. Then I came back to the office, just with my friends a bit, and then closed the door. Bye for now.